Welcome back. So first step is to go to Docker. We are going to install Docker on Windows so that we can install Apache Superset image and run Apache Superset on Windows. So first step is to download Docker desktop. So click on just Google search about Docker and click on Docker desktop. You will get an installation file based on the operating system. I have already installed Docker, so that's the reason I am just showing you the step. My Docker is up and running. So let's wait for Docker desktop to get open. So you will get an installation file over here. Download for Windows. So you will download it from here and install it. Just like a normal Windows installation file. Next. You will get Docker will get installed. So Docker desktop. So here you can see my Docker desktop is up and running. So what I will do is I will click on search. Here there is a search button. So I will click on here and I will search out for Superset. It will show us Apache/Superset. 100 million downloads are already being done and it is loading. Click on pull. So it will get downloaded at your desktop. See, the current tag is C7C30FF dev. It is not latest. So we are using this tag. This might change as per the new versions are available. So make sure you copy the tag name. So here you can see on the images Apache Superset image has been downloaded. This is the tag and current status is in use because I am running Apache Superset. So I wanted to tell you that the size of the Apache Superset on Docker is 3.28 GB. So it might take time to download. So the next step is to go to command prompt. Here we will type docker -version. So from the command prompt also you can use Docker. So we will go to website called hub.docker.com and Apache Superset. This is the official version of Apache Superset provided by Apache Software Foundation. So these are the some of the steps. So official release is coming soon. Latest is also not available. The tags which are available I can show you is we are using C7 C30FF dev that will be displayed over here. So that is the latest tag available at the day of recording. So today when I am recording, I am getting C7 C30FF dev. So this is the official version I am using. Here you can see the same version. What I will do is I will go to overview and perform all these steps mentioned below. Let's wait to get it open. Since I am recording, that's the reason my internet is running slow. So here this is the command. So here the command is, let me show you, run docker run -d port number 80808080. Secret key, you need to specify any secret key. For my installation I have used my superset, and you need to add this tag at your command instruction, that is C7C30FF that is the tagline. Otherwise it will default will take as latest. Since latest and official latest release is not available, we are using the above command. I will give this command to you in the download section. It might change as per the new installation available. So I will copy this and I will paste it over here and press enter. So a container image will be running. So here you can see name, we are specifying name is as Apache Superset, and this is already running. So this step I have already executed. So that's why I am not running it right now. Then the next step is to use this command, docker execute it superset fab create admin. Sometimes we are facing issues in creating the admin. So the command which I want to specify for you is just remove this backslash and write it in a single line. Docker execute superset fab create admin, username as admin, first name as superset. Otherwise you will face some issue while, since it's a Windows machine, we need to specify in this way. Docker execute superset. So all the steps which are mentioned in the official website you need to execute. So I will write over here docker execute it superset fab create admin, username as admin, and all this in a single line and execute it. I am not executing it because I have already my container is already up and running. So this all steps you need to follow one by one. There is no rocket science in it. It's simply straightforward. And once the superset is initialized, you can log in. So for login, we will go to port 8080 and just click over here. So here you can see my Apache superset is up and running. So this is my local host 8080 in a Windows machine, and this is the default Apache superset installation done on Windows machine. So if I click over here, I will get the default demo charts which are available over here. So this is how we install Apache superset on Windows using the help of Docker. So here image is, first step is to download the image and run the container. In order to run the container, we will use the command prompt over here. We will fire each and every statement which have been mentioned over here. So I will give you this download this detail so that you can perform this action at your end. This file will be available in the download section. So that's all for this lecture. See you in the next video.